Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can place a video inside the text frame or letter frame, right? So as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank video template, right? Now we are just going to elements and here we are just going to search for D frame. Okay, we are into frames, click on see all and here we just need to either you can search for D frame or letter frame, whatever you like the most, right? And let's search for D frame. Okay, D frame is over here. We will increase its size. Let's go with the O frame. You can reduce the size to make some space for the another letter, right? Okay, it's done. Now here we are going back to the elements and then search for a dog video. Okay, I've searched for dog, going to the videos and here you can find some good videos, right? Whatever the video you like the most, you can simply select that particular video, right? You can also upload your video. It's not necessary to upload the same video, right? Let's go with this one. I have dragged and dropped this video in all 3 letter frames first, right? Now I'm going to click on the frame, right? And going to resize the video as per my template, right? Okay, it's done. Now again I'm going to click on the second letter frame. Okay, we have set the size as per the template. Now clicking on the third letter frame, right? Going to adjust the video size as per the template size so that it sets perfectly. Okay, done, right? Now you can simply play this video. Okay, it's done. So in this manner you can simply place a video inside text frame or letter frame in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.